Hi, folks. Happy Tuesday. Look, I figured out how to make this circle a little bit bigger down here on Loom. And I've been doing Loom because, A, it's easier. It's really the only way for me to show you my screen and kind of share with my screen what I want to show you. And B, because it records a much smaller video file, which really helps me get it all uploaded and everything because I'm only on 4G here. I'm doing everything off 4G in the mountains, so it's working fine. But I have an Android, and man, the video files on Androids when you record a video are huge. So I had to compress it and then upload. Anyway, Loom is working, and now with this big circle down there, you can see me a little bit better. So I'm just going to step you through your lab today to get you working on your lab. This is a simulation lab. We're going to use this Gizmos explorelearning.com website for this. Once I get back in the classroom, we will obviously do hands-on labs in person. But for now, this is kind of the best thing we can do and keep you all moving along with the course so that when I get back, we can jump right in and with our lab. So again, if you did not sign up for a Gizmos account on explorelearning.com, I put these slides in again on slide 3 and 4 of Tuesday's Pear Deck. If you did not sign up for this account, make sure you do. You will need it today. These are your join codes for the different classes. Truth is, they're all the same, but they fill up at some point. So I have to make 4 different classes. So there you go. So if you did not make an account yesterday, please look at slide 3 and 4. And if you did make an account, then great. Then you're ready to move to this right here, right? So this is here. I'm going to show you how to do this actually. Okay, let's go explorelearning.com. It might make me sign out. Yeah, let me sign out. Okay, so you're going to go explorelearning.com. This is your login here. Okay, you're going to put in whatever your username. That's my username, and that's my password. And you're going to put that in, and you're going to log in and hope. Let's see. Try that again. There we go. Okay, hopefully that'll work, and you'll get logged into your Explore Learning. And then let's see, you're going to go. I think your class will pop up, and then this is what you're looking for: distance, time, and velocity time graphs and metrics. So then you click on this. You can click here. You can click on launch. Doesn't matter if you go here. It goes distance, time. This is what you want. You're going to click on this and hit Launch Gizmo. Okay. So we ask you questions about this. I ask you questions about this as we run through the lab today. And you can just kind of mess around and play with this, okay? You have a couple different screens here. You have things on the screen. You have a runner down here, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40 meters. You have these controls right here. So you can change the number of points on your graph there. We're going to start with 2. You can have 2 runners, actually, right? If you want to mess around with that. Leave it on show graph, leave it on show animation, okay? Okay, so let's look at what this is. So this graph here is really what we're looking at, okay? Across your x-axis on the bottom is time, measured in seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Across your y-axis, going up and down, is distance from the starting line, measured in meters. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This red graph is going to be a graph of the motion of the runner. All right. You start the simulation by these 2 buttons on your stopwatch down here. The green one starts it. I'm just going to click this so I can show you what happens. Here we go. All right. So you notice a couple things. You notice the runner runs across the bottom. Okay. You notice that this green bar moves at the same time. Okay. And then you notice that the stopwatch is timing it. So to reset, you hit the red button on the stopwatch right there. Okay. Let's try it again. Watch this green bar move right here. Okay. That's tracking the movement of the runner. All right. There you go. Okay. Now you can do a couple things with this. You can change this point. Okay. So I'm going to drag this down here and let's look at what this is saying. Then let's look at what happens with the runner. So what this is saying now is here, the runner at the end of 4 seconds, the runner got to 40 meters. Okay. Here at the end of, it's very fast, by the way. Here at the end of 4 seconds, the runner, if you go across, only gets to 10 meters. So let's play that and see what happens. Oh, that is a slow runner. Okay. That looks like they're running through molasses or something, right? And if we go up here, let's drag it up to 20. Okay. There we go. Reset it, play it. Okay. All right. They're going a little faster. Okay. So what you can't change here is you can't change the time. The runner is going to run for 4 seconds each time. You can change the distance they're going to run. Okay. What we want to get you to see is a couple things, right? We want to get you to see that the slope of this line, the y value is distance, the x value is time. Remember, slope is rise over run, right? Which is distance over time. Hey, that equals velocity, right? That equals speed. Okay, we said rate, distance equals rate times time. So rate equals distance divided by time. Hey, that's what we're looking at right here. Okay, so the slope of the line on this graph that you're looking at is actually the speed or the velocity, if you think about negative or positive slope, right? That the runner is running. So we're going to ask you a couple things in the pear deck, right? Where you're going to change your number of points, okay? I'll just show you this real quick. If we do this, what's going to happen here when we reset it? The runner's going to go forward. Oh, negative slope, runner's going to run backwards, okay? We're going to ask you to make the runner stand still for a little bit, okay? And then you don't need to do this for the assignment, but you can play with these too. Your velocity time graph, we're going to really look at these over the next few weeks a lot, okay? You're going to see a lot of these velocity time graphs. And then you can look at this distance travel too. That's just kind of for extra information, okay? I don't believe you actually need to do that to finish the pear deck, okay? So that's that. I think that should be good with that. If you have any problem logging in or anything, send me an email and we'll try to get that straightened out. Okay. And yeah, you guys are doing great. I want to encourage you again and say you're doing a really good job with all this. I'm enjoying looking at all the work that I get in on my end. And I know this is a weird way to start physics class, but thank you you're doing the best with it. And if we've learned anything from the pandemic, right, it's that we just got to be flexible and we just got to keep going and do the best. And that's what you all are doing. So I'm really proud of you. I can't wait to meet you in person. It's coming soon. And thanks a lot. All right. I will see you later. How do I stop this thing? Here